Good morning, guys, from wherever you are. This is your boy Benji254, and I'm back again. I'm in the village right now, and I want to show you what we normally do. It actually rained the other day heavily, and actually today I'm dressed in my. This was my beautiful leather jacket. Nikaenda kuosha. I tried washing it. Nilipeleka kwa laundry. This is what happened. So I used it in the farm. So, there's massive destruction. Okay, I can't say massive. Kuna ndizi kadhaa huku, and then what happened as it rained, kuna ndizi zilianguka, nisha harvest moja pale nimechukua kwa nyumba, and then there's one here that is bending. I need to look for a supporter, and then I put a supporter there before, because it's actually big. We call it ng'ombe. Hii ni ng'ombe. And then there's one here yenye nimekata. I'm supposed to transport it tungoje hivi. The good thing, I could destroy zenye hazijakuwa ready. Hizi zote zimekomaa ndio zilianguka, so they are ready to be eaten. Yeah, so let me take you around. This is actually a plantation ya ndizi. Kuna section ya miwa. These sugarcane were harvested the other day. It's a very small section, but only harvest miwa. How many were they? 170 something. Yeah, these ones we call them Kampala, the black ones. The black ones, the hard ones. And then kuna side ingine huko kuna miwa soft. So I'll take you to where we have. So normally, okay, this is a wrong way of harvesting bananas. You're not supposed to leave them down here. Okay, it's not good actually. I'm supposed to put them in order, like zikae place, but it's easy. So actually, this is the supporter. A support is just any piece of tree that you can use, kama hii, to support your banana isianguke. Actually, we have quite a lot that need to be supported. Like here, my hand is tired already. You can see the bananas here. Ndio zile zingine pale nyuma. Yeah, so all of them, actually there's one here that needs to be supported, though it's ready. This one, okay, I won't support it, just in case it falls, well and good, we'll take it. Tuko na ndizi nyingi kwa nyumba, hatujui kwenye tunapeleka. We don't sell them normally because selling a banana here in Kisii, because everybody has them, it's like we'll be selling them at a throwaway price, so we opt to eat them. And yeah, so hizi ndio ndizi zenye ziko so far. We're actually waiting. So you can see Kisii, oh my goodness. Kisii, we have a lot of rains and a lot of bananas and a lot of sugarcane, a lot of milk. Actually, I'm coming from the Kukamua. I was milking some few minutes ago. And so I want to support. I don't know whether you can see the way I'll be doing this. So this is the plant. I want to support it so that it doesn't fall. Haijakomaa fully, but it's ready. It can be eaten. That is the plant. The fruit, I mean. Maybe you can comment, when is a banana a fruit and when is it a vegetable? When you eat it cooked, is it a vegetable or a fruit? And when you wait for it to ripe, I don't know. So the first thing you do, unadunga, you're supposed to dunga kwenye unataka isimame, and then you look for ground yenye iko, how can I say, yenye iko dry, so that isi slide ianguke bado. Let me try and see if this camera can stand here. Where can I place it? Po itafunika, you can't see anything. Good. Let's do this. So this is the supporter. I'm supposed to support this plant. Yeah, I'm done. That is it. What else am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to go and I don't know whether there is any other that needs to be supported. Let's go. My hands are dirty already. let's go and look for any other that needs to be supported. Yeah, let me show you around. There's actually another one there kwenye yenye imeanguka. We had very strong winds zenye zilikuwa zinaharibu. Actually this was the first section kwenye tulipanda ndizi. And they're going across kwenda pale. Actually we have quite a number of plants around. And then kuna majani chai kule chini. What is that guy doing? I don't know. Another one here. Hii imeanguka. It needs to be harvested, but this one cannot be ripe. Hii iva. Hii ni ya kupika sasa, hii itaenda ichemshwe. I wish we had a baby around. The baby could have enjoyed. These are actually the sugarcane. Tumezikula hadi hatuzitaki tena. So if you feel like enjoying country life, come to Kisii. Just talk to me nicely. Kani kengine. I think this one can be very sweet. This one is very sweet. I'll still harvest it. Actually, hey. Now that we don't sell them, they are going to be a lot kwa nyumba. Good thing, si nyingi, they're only 4. But I haven't gone to the other side. But the other side, as I was walking around, I didn't see any problem. Hakuna yenye ilikuwa inahitaji attention. Yeah, so that is it for today. Welcome to Kisii, where we do bananas and everything. So actually I was doing a social experiment. I'll show you a clip here that I took over how do you call this one? Can I call it a seedling? There's a kamti hapa kwenye nimekata over banana. I'm normally told. So this is how many minutes later? Yeah, some few minutes later, around 6 minutes. Hii ndizi nimeikata saa hii tu. So huwa tunaambiwa when you cut this plant inaanza kugrow, as long as ni kidogo, isikuwe imekoma, inaanza kumea yenyewe. So this is 7 minutes later. I'll come and show you kwenye itakuwa imefikia by that time. I think inaendelea kugrow hata nikiweka kamera hivi. I'll come and show you how far we'll have gone in the next maybe 30 minutes. Bye for now. Yeah, and these are the cows enjoying the section of the banana that I cut. Yeah. And I'm actually told that there are some people who eat this thing. I don't know how they do it. But ukifungua hii kitu ndani, there are some things zenye ziko ndani I think I should show you. I'm told unazikaanga and then they say it tastes like cabbage. I don't know whether you've eaten it before. I don't know how I'll open it. Let me try and open. This one. So people eat this na ugali. Inakaangwa wanasema it tastes like cabbage. I don't know. I think I should try someday, not today. Yeah. So this is going to be the end of the video because I'm going to show you how that banana plant looks 30 minutes later. It's actually 30 minutes later. Okay, ni vile siwezi kaa hapa sana iti naichunga nione vile ita grow. I don't even know whether it will grow to produce a banana. But this is now 30 minutes later. And now you see it. Is there a change? I don't know. You know. I'm actually trying to zoom in. Not even zooming in. I want to focus. There's no light. It can't focus. Oh my. Poor thing. Yeah, this is 30 minutes into it after cutting it. Ina grow. Actually nilikuwa nimekata mbili. This other one is also grown. Nimekata saizi tu. The one that I gave the cows. Anyway, that is it for today. Bye. Till next time. Bye. I'll give you another vlog someday. Actually, maybe there's actually a vlog that I did. Okay, not even a vlog. I took some videos, some random videos last year in 2024. Yeah, I'll post it after this one. This will be the first one for this year. I've been lazy, but oh my god. Bye.